MULN stock analysis Wednesday. If you're interested in MULN stock analysis, just watch this 1-minute video. So let's begin. Mullen Automotive, it's gone down 11%, which is actually quite harsh considering the previous data. I'm just kidding. I've done 35,000 videos, you know, I've spent thousands on courses, mentors, documented everything. And generally speaking, MULN is just a bearish market. I mean, I've been talking about this for literally two and a half years, I believe. The 2023 year was just like the year of just short selling of me on the Mullen perspectives. All of them were like me short selling. And it was a great time, you know, money was made. And generally speaking, right now with MULN, since then, obviously I've upped my trading by a lot. So that even adds more to it. But like I mentioned, if I see a proper double break, short selling is not a bad idea. And because tomorrow, like, this is going to be the trading period that I'm looking to take advantage of. Yeah, I think that I'm not even going to have the right timing, man. Like, it's quite hard here. It's like, this is not even that volatile, so. Yeah, but like the overall idea for me is that I want to take things lower. But I'm definitely going to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, there is a free newsletter. Click the first link in the description. I'm sending an email tomorrow, so you might as well be inside.